Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So welcome. So what am I going to put in my closet today? Well, I am excited because I watched another YouTuber. Her name is Kristen of Kristen Moments of Sanctuary. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I will leave her link below. I've been watching her for years. And Kristen works outside the home and her style is kind of boho chic, and she's got the cutest little figure. And I happened to be watching one day and she got this style box and it's called JB and Me, and I never heard of it. And what it is, it's this company, it's a boutique, and they're out of Holland, Michigan, and I think they might have one other store in Michigan. And what they do is they design a customized box just for you. So it's not a subscription box. What you do is you email them, let them know, okay, I'm ready for a box. I'm going on vacation, I need one for work, I need an exercise box, whatever you need, they'll put it together for you. And so they had a little bit of a waiting list. I think I waited like a week or two. And then Carol, who put together my box, so sweet. When you sign up for their waiting list, you let them know your sizes, your style, what you're looking for. And then when she calls you, she actually calls you on the phone, which I think is awesome. You go over what you're looking for, your styles, your issues, like, you know, your problem areas. So when she sends you this box, it's usually, well, I shouldn't say usually, I just got it the one time and I couldn't wait to open it. So what I did was I actually opened the items, I tried them on, and now I'm gonna do the video for you because that's how excited I was to get it. So again, it's called JB and Me, and this is how it works. There's a $20 styling fee, which you get back if you spend over $50. So if you buy an item, the items are usually around $50 and up. There's some that might be a little bit less than $50, but if you spend $50 or more, you get your $20 styling fee back. And then because I came from Kristen's website, she got a $20, 20% off, and then I got 20% off. So it was an automatic, no matter what I got 20% off. So that was really awesome. And then, I know I'm just babbling on. So they send you the card of how everything works. But what I thought was really cool, and I'm gonna wait to show this to the end, but the styling cards are on here. So everything she sent me, there's a picture of it in here and how they styled it. So let's get on. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You picked a good video to stop by. I hope you like it. I hope you'll subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you're returning, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty, and I hope you enjoy this box as much as I did. So it came in this big outer box, and it came with the invoice, and it actually came with 2 invoices. So I don't know if you have to send one back. And then it came with these cards that I'm going to show you at the end. And I already have taken everything out again because I had to try it on. And it came with this bundle. The paper is beautiful. It had a sticker on here. And I don't know why I put it so far away, because I told her, that I wanted like a complete outfit. I tried to get that out of Stitch Fix, but they never listen. So in here is a jewelry item, and look at how gorgeous they wrap it. And in here is a pair of shoes. And also, and I'm gonna leave the website link so you can go and sign up for this. And all you need to do when you sign up for it to get the 20% off is just mention my name. That's it. They have all the designers they deal with, you know, like a Liverpool and Dolce Vita. I told her that I like Judy Blue. So it lists all the companies that they deal with. So if you have a favorite, I'm sure it's on there. So the first thing, I'm going to take these out, are a pair of sandals. And I tried them on, and they were like slippers. They were so soft. The only thing I didn't like about these was the color. I thought they kind of washed me out. Like if these were white or even black, I would have loved them. They are so soft. They have this great heel, but this color just didn't work for me. But I do love these, and again, these are Dulce Vita. They're called a rose color, and these are a 7.5. And I said, they fit perfect, they were comfortable, but the color just wasn't for me. So these will be going back, and I will not be doing the try-on with these because since I'm sending them back, I don't want to, you know, ruin them. And let's get to the clothes. I'm so excited. So what she did was, in the card, it shows how to pair my one outfit. Just so excited. So she sent me, this is a one size fits all cami. And one of my areas, and again, she's getting to know me, and I'm definitely ordering another box. And I thought this cami was beautiful, and I thought it would fit, but it was just a little too tight around the bottom area. So I did try it on, but it was just a little bit too tight. If I lost probably 5 or 10 pounds, it probably would fit perfect, but this is just too adorable. So this will be going back, and I'm going to do a try-on with the cami that I already have, just to show you what it looks like. So the next thing that she sent me were these shorts. And what I love about them is they're a 5-inch inseam. And I told her, because Stitch Fix keeps sending me like 3 and 4 inch, and I keep telling them no, no, no. I keep them anyway because they're really comfortable, but I really want a longer inseam, and these are Liverpool. And I told her Liverpool is one of my favorite brands. So I really like these. They have a little distressing on the back. They have this fringe on the bottom, but I thought they fit perfect, so I will be trying these on. Then she sent me this adorable little tank top. Now I know it does have noticed it does have distressing in the back, and I don't know that if it's part of it, but it's like this plum color, and when I first took it out, I'm like, but then when she pictured it with the cami, I'm like, oh, and the shorts. So this is the front, this is the back, and as I said, it doesn't have the tag, but it does have a little pull on there, so I don't know if it's part of it. I think it might be, judging from the way the rest of it looks. But I thought this is just too adorable because it's gonna hide my tummy. So you wear that with the shorts and the cami. And again, she sent me the shoes to wear with it, but the color just wasn't for me. And then wait till you see this last piece. So I think there were a total of 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in this box. So I think she sent you 5 to 7. And if you want to request more because you're going out of town or you need more work pieces, I believe you can do that. But look at this dress, because I did say I want to start wearing more dresses. It gets hot here. We've got tons of friends coming in. The kids are coming in. But look at this dress. I'm in love with the color. And then it's got this button in the back. I do have to wear a strapless bra with it. And I was really worried about the length because I can't wear them too short. but when I originally tried it on, it comes right above the knees, and I thought it was pretty. So I thought it was a keeper. I will go over the prices at the end because I didn't think the prices were bad. And then what's in this little box, you ask? I said everything is wrapped nice, so I had to rewrap it so that you can see how great she does it. So she sent this. She's like, to pair everything with the chunky necklace. Now to me, this isn't chunky, but I just loved the colors in this. So it's got this like button tie, if you can see that, and look at the colors. So this will actually go with the short outfit and the dress. So I'm gonna try everything on for you so that you can see how well everything goes together. And I'm gonna show you the cards before I try it on. So just in case it doesn't look as good as the cards. But she's got them wrapped up nice. And the first card is the dress with that necklace and those shoes. So isn't that beautiful? And she tells you what to pair everything with. So I thought these cards are just awesome. And then the next outfit is the cami, the necklace, the top, the shorts, and those shoes. So I just thought everything, because had I liked the shoes and had the cami fit, the whole box would have been a keeper. And then okay, I'm back. So just to recap, they do send you a return shipping label for anything that you do not keep. Again, if you spend $50 or more, you do have the $20 that apply towards what you keep. If you keep 3 or more items, the return shipping is free. Otherwise, they charge you the shipping at checkout. So that is a little bit different than we're normally used to, but the shipping prices have just gone crazy. So let's go over the pricing. Again, I get 20% off because I used a referral. So the shorts, the Liverpool Vickie shorts, they were a size 8. They go for $68, but again, I get 20% off of that. The Rosy Drop waist tank, that was a medium, and I'll put my glasses on. That one for $58, and I got 20% off of that. The necklace, which I'm also keeping in rainbow, retailed for $36. The dress, in aqua in a large, which I absolutely loved, was $59. The cami in white, which I'm not keeping, retailed for $29. And the rose sandals, which I'm not keeping, are $90. So the subtotal of everything was $340, which isn't bad for 6 pieces. I got the 20% discount. Had I kept everything, would have brought it down to $272. But I'm not keeping the sandals or the cami. So with everything I'm keeping, I think I got a pretty good price. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this a box that you would like? As I said, I think for the first box she sent, she did a great job. And the 20% off on these items, like, I mean, that dress, I got it for like, what, $50? I think that's a screaming deal. So let me know what your favorite item was. Comment below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.